show you guys the proper use of a ferro rod with char cloth. So right here, got our char cloth. This is just a pair of jeans that I've charred in a tin can. I'll do another video on how to do that. Here we have our tinder bundle shavings. So all we're gonna do is kind of cram this together, put our thumbs in there and try to make a little bird's nest. Put our char cloth right in the middle. Should look something like that. Okay, I'm just gonna lay mine right in the middle of this fire. This fire is one of my own designs. It's kind of a mixture between the Swedish torch with all the small pieces, but it's also kind of one of them like stacked fires, kind of like a reverse fire, because it kind of goes down but then you also feed it. So, but anyway, so got my ferro rod here, and this is a 6-inch ferro rod. I would not recommend going with anything smaller than 6 inches because it's hard to actually get sparks off of it. Now, you want a good knife with a flat back, and you're just going to scrape it in long scrapes. Okay, and that char cloth is going to grab a spark and it's going to take off. So one thing that you can do is you can get right up on it and touch it, or you can get right above it. I like getting right above it. I don't like touching it because it kind of shifts everything. Don't be one of these people that takes their knife and goes, you know, and can't get his fire, and they wonder why. You got to have really strong. See how that's throwing those? You got to have like a precise, and you got to like mean it, you know. So this char cloth works like a charm, man. And it's going to take one spark and I'm going to get it going. And I'm going to show you guys how. There we go. I just saw it light. Don't really need to rush. Okay. The char cloth is just going to grow the ember. Okay. I'm just going to get in there and I'm going to blow it. Kind of bundle it up here. That way all the heat goes to the tinder and doesn't escape. See it start to smoke? And that was just like a 2-inch by 2-inch piece of char cloth, you know. Almost there. I don't know if you guys can see, but every time I blow on it, it just gets insanely like red hot, man, like fire poker hot. Just gonna tighten this back down a little bit, start to loosen up. Oh, there we go. We have fire. Not out of the gate yet. Okay. Kind of want to stack it on top of itself. Let's see what just went out. There we go. I have some extra shavings here. Feed this with some really small twigs. Okay. I'm gonna kind of lean it up on these, kind of gives it an angle, kind of gives it some room to heat up instead of just laying it like right on there. So. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys stuck around this long, I hope you like, comment, subscribe.